My research shapes the future of energy because I make battery cell production sustainable. Hello, my name is Gabriela Silva. I'm from Brazil. I work here at the Institute of Machine Tools and Production Technology at the TU Braunschweig. And here I'm finishing my PhD, and I also lead the department Sustainable Production. My research is about material and energy efficiency for sustainable battery cell production. So I investigate how changes on processes and products affect the entire process chain, but also material and energy demand. Battery cells are key technology for the decarbonization of the transport sector, also important for the energy transition, but they are produced in energy-intensive processes, also with critical materials. So that's why in my research, I try to reduce the environmental impacts of battery cell production. For that, I developed a model-based approach that combined different elements of battery cell production, such as process, products, and process chain, and combines different KPIs. So with that, I can investigate energy demand, material demand, and also climate change potentials in a comprehensive approach. In Germany, academia is not seen as separate from industry. So we work together with industry partners in public funded projects, but also bilateral industry projects. And this perspective from the industry is really important when developing sustainable solutions. What I like most about living in Germany is being able to bike to work. And especially here in Braunschweig, a small city, I can bike anywhere and be there in 20 minutes.